So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take Sigma's eyeshadow base and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid. This is going to help with creasing and discoloration on the eyelid. And then I'm going to take Deck of Scarlet's new palette. This is their 13th edition and it is now a monthly subscription. So this palette comes with 3 eyeshadows, 1 blush, 1 highlight, and 2 lip colors. I'm going to take the color Candy Bloom, which is a soft pink blush. I'm just going to use that for a transition color. I'm going to apply that into my crease and just blend that out in circular motion. And then I'm going to take the color Innocence and I'm going to pack that all over my eyelid. So it's a super easy look. I'm just packing that on until I get the intensity that I want, and then I'm just going to blend out the edges. It's a really, really easy look. This brand is cruelty free and I will have a link in the description box below. And for eyeliner, I took the Kat Von D tattoo liner, which mine was running out, so I eventually had to switch to my Sigma pen liner just to fill it in. And then I added a Sigma black in my waterline. So I'm going to skip the primer and I'm going to go straight to this Laura Geller Dew Dreamer Illuminating Drops. I like this one because it's really, really thin. I'm just going to put this... I'm gonna skip my forehead. I'm just gonna put it on my cheeks and my nose. I'm gonna blend that with my foundation, and I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm in the color Vanilla. Well, this is kind of light. Shoot, this looks really light. That just looks a little bit too light for me, so I'm going to use the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless Concealer to kind of warm up my face a little bit. Or a lot. Sheesh, what color did I use? Medium, dark, warm golden. Use a seam foundation brush. I love this concealer. It blends out so nicely. Put some concealer on so I don't look so crazy. I'm going to use the Kevyn Aucoin concealer. I'm in the color 02, light 02. Really must have got a little bit darker because this concealer looks too light for me too. I'm going to set my under eyes with the Huda Beauty Loose Baking Powder in Pound Cake. I kind of keep it around this area right here. Before I finish the rest of my face, I'm going to finish my eyes, and I'm going to apply a little bit of this Innocence shadow under my eyes, if I can find my brush. Palette pretty much has everything you need for a full look, which is really cool. And it's actually only $29. In the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to use the color Cashmere. Ooh, that's a pretty color. So I guess the only thing it doesn't really have is a bronzer, so I'm going to use this Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion, and I'm going to bronze my face, warm up my face with. If you guys want to check out this palette, I will have the link in the description box to Deck of Scarlet, which is now actually a monthly service. So I'm going to go back into the Deck of Scarlet palette, and I'm going to use Candy Bloom right here for blush. I'm going to apply a little bit because I don't want something too strong since my eyes are blue. So this month they have an add-on with the palette, and it is a Glow Up Jelly in Extra, which is really, really pretty. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of that as a highlight. Okay, It's kind of like an iridescent shimmer. Whoa. I think it's kind of glittery after you blend it out. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of the color Firefly right here, and I'm going to apply that on top of it. So these also come with lipsticks as well. So I think I'm gonna use this one right here, the bottom one. Yeah, that's a really pretty color. It's a really pretty color. I usually really like their lipstick colors. Again, if you guys want to check out this palette, I have it listed in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out, and thanks for watching.